Meron po ba akong ginawa masama sa inyo?
No,
Meron ba, wala?
None, Mr. Chair.
Wala. Wala akong ginawa masama sa inyo, ha? Oh, ang sabi mo, ganito, kung Abante, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayer, tinawag mo ako. Bakit? Ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun?
Tumaas ang tensyon sa pagdinig ng Tri-Committee sa Kamara ngayong araw hinggil sa issue ng fake news. Ito'y nang magkaharap sina Manila 6th District Representative Bienvenido Abante Jr. at ang vlogger na si Elizabeth Joey Cruz. Sinita kasi ni Abante ang social media post ni Cruz, partikular ang pangiinsulto umano sa kanya at pagpapahayag ng profanity o pagmumura. Punto nito, hindi naman niya personal na kilala si Cruz kaya bakit siya mumurahin?
No,
Or
Mr.
is it
Chair,
you?
the statement
Let me
came
ask
from
you,
me.
Mr. Chair, is it you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So you were the one that said that, right?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
Ayun. Pero hindi mo ko kilala. Wala akong ginawa masama sa'yo.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It
What is your
already
right to
established.
tell me that I'm...
Because I am a citizen of
What
the
is your
Philippines.
right to tell me I'm...
That is part of my freedom of speech, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
is that right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So your freedom of speech is to tell a person that he is freedom of speech ba yan?
My freedom of speech, part of my freedom
Bayang
of
galing
speech is
mo.
to
Bukod sa profanity, binanggit umano ni Cruz sa kanyang vlog ang mga katagang isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo.
Ang sabi mo, you know, Kong Benny Abante, I can find all of this. Isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that still freedom of speech?
Mr. Chair, I am not very familiar.
Yes or no, Mr. Chair? Is that still, you think, freedom of speech? When you said, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo.
Mr.
Is
Chair.
that freedom of speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganon. Oo. So, ibig sabihin, ganito. If I tell you right now, sasampalin kita, freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir, it's overt
Ay, hindi
action
na.
already.
Sinabi ni Abante na hindi absolute ang freedom of expression at ang mga pahayag ni Cruz ay lumalabag sa kanyang karapatang pantao. Pero depensa ng vlogger, ang kanyang pagmumura ay hindi personal kundi obserbasyon lang.
The statement was said based in a not personal way, but it is an observation of my reaction
Mr. Chair,
on
meron ka
the-
pang salita. Your observation is that Is that your observation?
This pertains to the public function as I perceive it, Mr. Chair.
No.
Binigyang diin ni Cruz na karapatan niya ang magpahayag ng saloobin, bagay na kinontra ni Abante dahil maaari umanong saklaw ito ng ilang mga paglabag sa batas.
Can you tell me the jurisprudence?
Yes, Mr. Chair. For example, Mr. Chair, there is, I cannot specify the specific law, Mr. Chair.
There is a law on libel.
Yeah, law
There
on
is a
libel.
law on slander.
Nang tanungin naman ng iba pang vloggers tulad ni Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles, ipinaliwanag nito na mayroong tinatawag na protected speech at hindi kasama rito ang inciting to terrorism at rebellion. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Caaminyo ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.